Altcoins are looking nice going into the weekend. And I said a few days ago on a lot of the 3-day charts and also weekly charts, we've seen a stock RSI cross. Now, we haven't really seen the crosses into momentum for a lot of them, but most of them have gotten the stock RSI cross. In today's video, I want to give you guys an update on Birddog on Sol. All right, so salute to the Birddog community. They've been supporting our channel for a while now, guys. Make sure you go show some love. Join the Twitter, join the Telegram, hang around, ask questions, do your research and due diligence. But they do have some new news here. So they have a game trailer here for their new card game. All right, so this card game will give a lot of cross exposure to a lot of memes, because you can see a lot of the favorite memes are part of the card game, Boys Club Trading card game. All right, so they're working to bring together memes and meme communities. The platforms will help not only their project get exposure, but also other projects. And they said they're one of the few sub 10 million market cap projects that have been able to pull this off. So this is big news here for Birddog on Sol, guys. Make sure you go check out the website, check out the Twitter. But I want to get into the chart, right? Because Birddog on Sol is up about 34% on the day. At one point, it was up 40% on the day, sitting here at a $3 million market cap. It did have a nice, good pullback into a correction. On the 3-day, I would love to see this green candle become a engulfing green candle close, but it doesn't necessarily have to be an engulfing green candle for it to continue to have bullish momentum. As long as we can get a confirmation candle above this red line here, which has been serving as now resistance, which once was support, we can maybe start to see some moves back to the upside, as Birddog did get the stock RSI cross here. So they were able to get that stock RSI cross here, but not yet confirmed above 20. So still waiting on that confirmation. And again, we would love to see the MACD flip bullish as well. So I'm not sure if you guys have been adding to your bags, or maybe you were looking for an entry point, but if you're new to crypto and you're probably asking like, Millie, well, what are you doing? A lot more times than not, it's a little bit more favorable to find your initial points or DCA into oversold levels, opposed to being overbought. So overbought would be anything above 80, because likely the crypto is going for a correction, right? So right now it's oversold. So it doesn't mean it's going to go just straight up, but it's a good chance that you will see some bullish momentum to the upside, as experienced traders are more they prefer to buy a low opposed to an high, right? So that's just pretty much how it goes. This is the 3-day chart. 3-day charts usually take 2 to 4 weeks to play out, right? So each candle is 3 days, So just trying to explain that for anybody out there. Again, this project is up 34% on the day. So maybe here a lot of people decided to buy the dip. Maybe it's something that we're interested in. A lot of liquidity is rolling back to Solana from Tron, so it's been pretty much people going from Solana to Tron, back to Solana, and now you're starting to see a lot of Solana meme coins work to take that next leg up, right? I do want to put out there though that this is a lower low from here. So it's going to be interesting to see if Birddog can finally get some momentum to the upside. Well, it's a Matt Furry token, right? It's a Matt Furry token. These guys come with pretty good content, right? The community is based. They're building, right? They don't mind rating things, getting out there and putting their project in front of people. So love what I see from this project. Salute to the community. Guys, go check it out. I'll put the links in the description, but they do have a card game on the way, and looking to gain momentum here on the 3-day. Well, the stock RSI cross is pretty good, right? That's a pretty good thing. That's a step in the right direction, right? But I want to make it clear, there hasn't been confirmation above 20, and I would like to see the volume get up at least above 100,000, right? You want to make sure that volume is around 100,000 or higher to attract traders and whales as well. So, guys, let me know what you think about Bird Dog. I'll catch you the next one. It's your way, Crypto Millie.